Hey folks, today we're talking about this wheel attachment for a stringer, a weed whacker if you will. Now the company sent this to me to make this video. When you open up the box, you'll see that it comes in pieces, in different parts. I'm going to put it together and I'll describe how difficult or easy it was. It has pictures. I like pictures a lot better than drawings. These wheels are pretty heavy duty. Gives you the frame here, gives you the tools. Look at that, a couple wrenches. So I'll put it together and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all together, and I'll describe how hard or easy it was. Okay, round two. I've got it installed. Took me, I don't know, 8-10 minutes. If you look at the pictures closely, it will tell you which way the wheels go and which bolts and nuts go on each side. These are different size bolts, and they give you two different wrenches. So if you look at the pictures, it tells you what size goes on there. So I've got this assembled. I don't know if I have the wheels tight enough, but I tightened these up as far as I could. I do suggest if you have one of these with a handle, it's a little easier. I did it with my fingers, and I'm an old guy, and it hurt a little bit, but up in my garage, which I was too lazy to go upstairs and get, I have one with a nice handle. Would have made it a little easier. So let's go hook it up and see what it looks like. Okay, I've got it assembled, and it was very easy to put together, very easy to attach. I do recommend, as I mentioned in number 2, to get yourself a wrench like this. It's a lot easier than the small one that they give you. It's just easier to attach everything. This machine is, you can adjust the length by putting this down at the bottom. You get one length, or you can move that up here, and then it's at a different angle. It's a little easier to hold, or a little harder, depending on. So I've got it all the way down the bottom, and that's about perfect. So if my battery was charged, I could show you with this turned on, but you can see how it's attached. You turn it on, you're on the power, and off you go. So I hope this video has helped.